Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are excited to bring you our full review of the Asus Zenbook 13 Ultra Slim laptop, one of the most stylish and advanced options in the ultra-thin laptop market. The Asus Zenbook 13 is an ultra-thin and stylish laptop with a 13-inch Full HD display. It offers powerful performance with Intel Core i5 or i7 processors, 8GB or 16GB of RAM and SSD storage up to 1TB. Its battery lasts up to 14 hours and features fast charging. It includes security features such as a fingerprint sensor and facial recognition. Despite its slim design, it has USB-C, USB-A, HDMI and microSD card reader ports, and supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. The keyboard is backlit and the sound system is by Harman Kardon. In addition, some models include the number pad, a touchpad that converts into a numeric keypad. Perfect for professionals and students on the move, it combines style, performance and portability. What do you think of the Asus Zenbook 13 Ultra Slim laptop? Have you had a chance to try it out and leave us your comments below? And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews and tech content.